Last day in Da Nang. How do you feel?
I think I might cry. It's so sad.
It's not really.
It is. I love it here. Don't make me go.
Did you book the Grove?
Oh, no.
Okay, book it. Where are we going? For breakfast, because we're sick of the hotel breakfast.
I'm not. You're.
I actually am. I'm sorry, but I am. I think, yeah. The variety isn't that good either. It's very limited.
I don't mind though.
Most of it's savoury. Another sunny day in Da Nang. It's not really that humid, but it's just sunny and hot. It's gonna be thunderstorms tomorrow, so we're leaving on a good time. This place is really cool. Avi's still trying to book the Grab because her card started getting used.
Yeah, someone did fraud on me.
Her Monzo card started getting. We randomly checked her Monzo account and we saw that 2 charges for Chick-fil-A.
Yeah,
and
$224 from the USA.
Where was it? And
Like some other restaurant.
their Uber thing as well.
What's it called?
DoorDash. Yeah. So we cancelled that and now
But they refunded it straight
yeah,
away.
Monzo refunded it straight away, so we have to change the card on here. Back at our breakfast spot. You have to go here and ask for a table, mate. How do you not remember? We've been here so many times. Oh, new spot. We're in a new spot. Thank you. It's going to be enough, one muffin.
Yeah, you know what I had yesterday? That was a muffin, an English muffin.
This is different. You only get one egg with it.
I don't think the pancakes alone will be enough for you.
I don't know, yesterday I was quite full after eating half of it.
But you had the croissant.
I had the pancakes first, remember? Pancakes came up first. It's fine, we'll get the 2 muffins, 260 plus
Salt coffee.
yeah. Back to life now, the food's here.
Wait, this is nice. It's
This-
like properly crisp.
It's not a muffin though.
This is an over easy egg.
It's not what you'd call a muffin though. Thank you.
Yeah.
No,
This is an English muffin.
no it's not.
What do you think a muffin is?
The ones that you buy from Tesco.
This
It's
sweet
not,
one.
no.
This is
The ones that you buy from the supermarket aren't like this. It's more like softer. Thank you. How do they not know what brown sauce is?
Does it say? It doesn't say. Yeah, ask the brown sauce.
Finish the whole pot. There's no culture.
Because remove the nail.
Yeah.
Remove the nail. Yeah, chair,
Yeah.
And number 2, and new color.
Okay.
Yeah, new color and friendship.
Okay. And just
Yeah,
Just
you can see color we have.
Okay. And he also wants a manicure, just like cut nails. Yeah.
pedicure.
Yeah.
Yes,
manicure.
okay, pedicure only combo one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what you need. So yours
Yeah.
is 150.
So what's the total?
So what was mine again? 470
Yeah,
for a French tip.
£14
Okay.
plus
For both?
150. No, plus 150.
How much
right?
did you put for mine? 470.
Yeah. 18. It's the same as the other place.
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
I think for my wedding manicure and pedicure, I paid like nearly £50 just for me. So we
Yeah,
got
but that's
two
different.
people.
Honey, you drink water.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. And normally for nails it's like 30. It depends on what I get actually. But average is like 28 to 30. And we're getting 2 hand and 2 feet. That's very good. And it's a nice place.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's not like, you know, the place we saw yesterday where it was the same price as the manicure.
Yeah.
It was like scattered.
True.
So I think I might, do I do them all short?
It's up to you, I don't really mind. It's up to you, whatever you want, really.
So I pick for the feet or?
Oh yes, okay. You can see and
Yeah.
you choose the color for
Okay.
fit you and start fill up your color, your fit, and you can see if you choose see fill on.
Too much choice. It's so different for me. They're square and short. Kind of miss my old ones. The leg. No, but it's nice to
It was
have them
broken
short.
anyway, so you had
It was
to get it short.
literally broken. I had no choice. I need to just grow them out and then start again.
Yeah.
But anyway. Thoughts?
One?
Your ear?
Oh, it was alright. It was just like random tools, like kind of.
Basically, my nails were taking ages. So he saw an earwax cleaning.
It wasn't cleaning, it was relaxing apparently. So apparently it just like it softens it so it like can come out easier.
What? So later it will come out.
I think so. I don't know,
on
but
the
I read
pillow
about it.
chips.
But it was just.
Just start from the beginning, because I was downstairs and then he got taken like behind this curtain and I had my mobile data off, but I noticed after that you texted me that you're scared.
Yeah, because I've never done an ear cleaning before.
But it looked scary.
Yeah, she just had a headlight on and
She had a headlight on.
yeah. She was just opening my ear and just putting like random tools in and stuff and like just cleaning it. Or like just moving it about. And then two bits was like really uncomfortable. It was like it was so loud. Like it was so, I think it was just like so deep in.
Was it like a drill?
It wasn't a drill, it was just like, I don't know what it was, a stick or something. But it was so loud and like uncomfortable. Like you would have hated it. You would have probably asked to stop.
Yeah.
Like I was literally like clenching my fist and then I had moved away. She still carried on. But yeah, it was good. I felt like I could hear a bit better.
Can you actually?
Kind of.
Your ear looks clean from here.
Yeah, I hope so.
Did she clean like the outside?
Yeah, she cleaned the
Like
outside.
the whole.
Yeah.
Damn. That was so random.
Yeah, I've always wanted to do it, so I was like, why not? But I want to do it
Because
properly.
it was so funny, because you were like, let me just find out what they do, like how they do it. And then the woman I have spoke English, like decent. and the woman that you had didn't understand. So you were like, how do you do it? What do you do? Like, and she was like, yeah, do it, and then took you upstairs, and you were like, fine. Basically bullied you into getting it done.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Back to the hotel now. Oh, so sunny. They have a Toshiba convention.
Ooh. I was gonna say sneak in, but I really don't care.
It's probably about tech.
Yeah.
Alright. Toshiba.
Toshiba.
Are you serious?
Oh no, you have to take that out.
No, it's staying in.
No.
Come on, let's go quick. You
Why
said the
did I
sun would be
think that
gone
was-
by the time we come
Why
back.
did I think that was a car brand?
That's meant for-
TVs, about TVs. I meant TVs. Happy hour. Oh, the order's in. I'm gonna guess a margarita, 2 margaritas. He didn't actually ask me, so who even knows?
Okay, where should we go for dinner?
It's really humid. Plan A was Central Market. It's not looking likely because it's raining. Plan B is KFC.
No, let's go somewhere else. I don't mind KFC, but
That was your idea.
I know, but I'm just like, we're too dressed up for KFC. That's so dope.
Plan C is the first restaurant that we went to, which was so good.
Yeah, but I feel like we shouldn't go to the same place twice.
Yeah, I agree. If not, but we went to Bikini Bottom 3 times. That
yeah,
didn't
true.
stop us.
But like Vietnamese food wise, I'm saying.
I really wanted to go to that one that's closed, like permanently closed.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I can find a new one.
Yeah. It has to be indoors now, 'cause it might start chucking
It
it
has
down.
to be indoors, yeah. Like my hands are like, are yours clammy
No.
from the humidity
No.
because of the rain?
From
Maybe because I
nothing.
put oil on them
Maybe,
before I
yeah.
left.
It's not that humid. It is hot, but it's not that
It feels
humid.
humid.
Do you
though,
put the
like-
insect stuff on?
No.
There's gonna be mosquitoes.
Guess I'll get bitten.
Yeah, come
Okay,
back.
so I can find a new
No
place.
reservation. We have to see, yeah? Is it? I have to line up. Okay, go ask her. Thank you.
That's fine, thank you, that's fine.
How long? 15?
15.
Okay, that's fine.
Your name? Yes, it's Avi, A-V-I. Yeah.
Thank you. I don't know if she meant 15 or 50.
The first thing I saw was the Michelin Guide sign. I actually didn't know that it was on the Michelin Guide. I just saw it on TikTok and it had good reviews.
Back at a Vietnamese place, because Avi is
really
craving
wanted
Vietnamese.
You wanted tacos
Yeah.
or KFC?
Or market food, like meat.
Oh, we can still go Santra.
No, it's fine now. Thank you. Good evening. It's not as vibey up here, but oh well, we didn't really
I'd wait
vote.
longer for an answer.
It's fine. Thank you.
Thank you. There's no cat here. Wait, where am I? Oh. Wait, these are nice.
I have a video.
You get this video out every single meal. It's a different video. The first, oh look at that, the coconut. And the prawns. Wait, these are so nice. They're skinnier. They're quite heavy though.
Got egg fried rice, popcorn chicken, and then 2 sauces. I don't know what they are, but we'll see how they are. Okay, I'm just gonna eat my hand because oh, hot.
Is it too hot? I'll give it. Okay, we're gonna pretend like you didn't already taste it.
Got a bit of rice, a bit of the it's like chili / sweet
It
chili
looks like
sauce.
peanut sauce.
It's quite nice to be fair. And a bit of chicken.
Out of 10?
With this and that 9.
9! I don't think I've ever known this guy to give a 9 about anything. Apart from like a Kit Kat. Oh, apart from like Mimi's, whatever you get from
What's the
Mimi's.
sauce like this?
I'm excited.
Just like that, last dinner in Da Nang done.
That was 10 out of 10. So good,
Definitely.
like actually so good.
Yeah, no, that was really good.
Yeah. I'm so glad we came. I'm so full though. But I think we finally
Back in our hotel room. Last night of Da Nang.